Welcome guys, Creambot back again with another reaction video. To go check out Little Mix official breakup song video. I did the quarantine Little Mix video. That wasn't the official video, so this is the official music video. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Oh, I know what the song is. I'm just watching the video really. Ooh, breakup hotline. Okay. I gotta write. Oh. Breakup song. Yo, I really like this song. This song is so good. This song is so good. I'm not gonna lie. The vocals and everything with it, so good. I actually love it, bro. These girls can't do anything wrong right at the moment. Ooh. Wait, is that Jade? Yes, Jade. Wait. Oh my god. Because the skin color look different. This is Leon. Breakup song. Oh, Jade had the curls. Anybody who is going through a breakup right now, this is the perfect song for you guys. Anybody who's going through a breakup. Alright guys, this is the end of the official video of another breakup song. Very good. I like the video because I know the song, love the song. The video was very interesting. I forgot the style of animation that they call this. I know that they build like Robot Chicken and certain anime after this style. Stop motion. I don't remember if it's stop motion, but I like the idea. I like how they actually, I think this is the first cartoon type music video I've ever seen they're done. I think, not really sure, but very good video. This is the end of the reaction video. Peace out.